In this video, I will show you how to deposit money into Trading 212. So to do this, you can open up Trading 212 and head over into your portfolio section. And then from there, what you can do is click on the blue plus button in the top right. And from there, you can see it says deposit funds. Now here, just select the payment method you would like to use. So I'll use Ideal. Now from here, just choose how much you want to deposit. So you can just slide this bar or type it in right here. So for example, 50 euros, then click next. And then since I selected Ideal, I can then here select Ideal for my payment method. Now just go and pay for it. Then it will redirect you back and say deposit successful. Now go and click done. And then in your main pot, you will then see that the money is going to show up right there. Now, depending on the payment method, it's not always instant, but with Ideal in this case, it is. So now you know how to deposit money into Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.